I love myself some cross-country riding on my mountain bike. I enjoy a good climb and then a fast, flowy descent. But today, I'm lowering my saddle and I'm practicing how to ride over some technical trails with this homemade wooden feature. For this project, you will need a few 2x4s. I ended up using 3 8-foot 2x4s. One of them we will cut in half for the sides of the feature, and the other we will cut up into pieces for the obstacle. I am measuring out 4 feet with a tape measure to make sure I cut it in half. I am using a saw that I made a handle for to cut it. You can see that video up in the corner. This saw could use a little sharpening though. We can set those aside and load up our other 2x4s. I made marks every 16 inches. However long you mark these will dictate how wide your obstacle is. Again, we used the saw I made a handle for. At first, I was doing the assembly in my vise, but then it was way too unstable, so I moved down to the floor. I was using only nails, but that wasn't holding anything together, so I grabbed a couple construction screws to really hold things together. This is how it looks all finished. She's ugly, but I'm sure she'll be super fun to send. Alright, let's ride. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.